Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGYP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice move. I don't think anybody's going to sit around and say, no, today wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree, good, solid move. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction, fake bounce type move? We shall see, but there, like I said, the easy way to, maybe not easy, but the straightforward way to answer that question, like I said, is by using charts. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And yes, that's why I like charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at $5.40. Why is $5.40 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $5.40. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it'll fall all the way down there, but let's just pretend, bounces around and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here, the previous set of lows down here. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps really progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what continuation is, right? If you've heard that term, can a price get continuation? Well, continuation, another way to look at that is, can the price make progress forward? And I'm defining progress in this case as now staying up above 540 and building that stair step. Given the price closed all the way up there at 576, I mean, that would be quite the journey for 540 to even get tested. But like I said, as long as the price stays out of the range that it was already just in, I mean, it was been stuck in this range for quite a while, then that would be progress. And again, progress forward is the name of the game. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds at? So for this, we're going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. Always a good problem to have. So next key, oh, price broke above that. That's good. So next key congestion point right up here at about $5, and we'll call it 85 cents. After 585, yeah, all right, after 585, then things thin out that much more. And now I'm not saying if 585 is broken within 10 seconds, it's going to be at 625, but that would be technically the next area of resistance. All in all, though, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a Merry Christmas.